Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys! Mangaon ni sa gawas. Sa labas. Nakakain kami sa labas. So, I pick up kami, our friend. We're here in the breakfast, lunch, dinner restaurant.
Okay. I don't do them today.
We're here in the restaurant. So, this time, namili ni sa amo ang i-order. Baba na ko cheesecake.
Are we gonna eat or are you gonna do that all night?
We're still. How you guys doing today?
Fine, how you doing?
Chicken.
So, our first
Well, what are you gonna
entry
bring?
is pandesal.
Yamana
Sige
dan.
naman kung kaon ani kay.
Yamana dan yummy.
So, yummy. Sige na kung kaon ani kay. Ate diyan nga ko ang order ako kay burger
Di mo
ako.
lagi
Cheese burger.
Di mo ko kahot po.
Niya na ini gumunin sa kote. Tapos itong kaunan ako before this one.
Niya, kanang iya.
Tanang iya, di na siya papigyan. Ay, naman yung then, ang order natin there is milk. Fresh
Yours.
milk. That's not mine, that's yours. Mine is tea.
That's right, I forgot.
I got my burger. Bacon burger. And Ate Rhea got a mashed potato and noodle soup on the top and biscuit inside. And Skip got turkey, mashed potato and gravy.
And stuffing.
And stuff. That's it. Thank you for watching. Kumanamig kaon, manguli na may.
Di ka mabigyan.
Ayaw natin, okay natin.